Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to take screenshot from Snapchat without them knowing on Android. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do on your Android phone, what you need to do is head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then on getting to your Play Store, make sure you click on Search App. Then click on Search App and Games and type in AZ Screen Recorder. So make sure you download and install this app. After you have successfully downloaded and installed it, click on Open. Then after you open up the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the recording icon and click on these settings right here and make sure you enable screenshots. Having enabled screenshots, you can exit from here. Then you have to head over to your Snapchat app. So I'm going to simply click on my Snapchat app right here. So click on here to open up my Snapchat app. Then I'm going to click on my profile icon right here. Then I will look for a friend, my friend. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to take a screenshot from this particular friend. I click on their name. So I want to take a screenshot of this particular friend profile. What I need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, this camera icon. So I'm going to simply click on that. And it has screenshot the profile without notifying them. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to take a screenshot from Snapchat without notifying them. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.